Hi, thanks for joining me. In this video, we're going to talk about folders, also known as room settings. So in our system, we have the ability to add different folders or rooms to one single order. So you could have a kitchen, for example, in one room, and then you could have a bathroom or entertainment unit in another room, all within the same order. The advantage is that would typically be processed all at the same time. It's one order number for us to track and one delivery. To use the room settings, we can see here this is called folder 1. We can click on it and rename it to whatever we need. So let's call this one kitchen. We can expand and contract the folder here using the up and down arrow in the corner beside the subtotal. We can add new folders here at the top. Maybe we'll call this one bathroom 1 or bathroom 1. We can collapse and expand all of the folders as well. So if we want to see everything, we can hit expand. That's going to show us both items in this kitchen and adding items to this bathroom header here. We can also quickly collapse everything for an easy view. Folders also have folder settings, so we can change the material for one specific folder or room. That's really useful for two-tone kitchens, or if the bathroom or whatever other room you have is going to be a different finish than the kitchen. You can update that in this folder level setting and apply to current folder. This folder name or room name also appears on the shipping information and the labels of each cabinet and component, which helps the delivery driver ensure that the cabinets get to the right room as required. I hope that helps. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave a comment below or reach me at info@d3customcabinets.com. Thanks so much.